Hello, today we're going to cover one quite common issue with Application Studio not being able to do a preview. So I currently was trying to run a report from AppStudio, and what I get is that error request processing failed, where it actually notes that it's a wrong version of the Chrome driver. So actually what I did is I clicked on that document thing here, which is a very simple PDF report. So if I now try to run it, I get an error message, so it's not working. So to fix that one, just simply close down Application Studio and navigate to the Chrome driver download page. I'm going to put it into the comments of the video as well. So if you navigate to that page, you see for the current releases, you want to go to that specific page here, which is the JSON endpoint. So you can pull a report against that one if you want to. But even better, there's a visual page explaining all the elements in here, or you can go to the download page. There's the availability dashboard, and there you see the available versions. So I'm going to put that one into the description window as well. So in here, you see it's a few versions for Chrome. So and there's also versions in here for older version, so for other versions. So currently we are on the latest version, so we're going to go for stable because my Chrome is actually at the moment, if you go to help about Chrome, you're going to see my Chrome is on version 1.2.3. So close it down again. So we want to go for the Chrome driver on 1.2.3. So there's the Chrome driver. So that's what we want to get to. So just copy that element in here and download that zip file. So there's my zip file. So we're going to download it. There's my Chrome driver, and there's just a simple exe file in there. So to fix the issue, just go to the installation location of your application studio. So IBI, AppStudio, the bin folder. If you check one, there's already a Chrome driver exe. So just take the new one, put it in here, replace the old one. So if it says, hey, it's in use, that could be the case because it's still having something open. So make sure in that case to close down whatever might be blocking it. So just make sure to close each and any potential Chrome window in here. So we should be safe now. So there is no more open App Studio, no more open Chrome. If you're still getting the complaint, make sure to restart your machine and then try to copy again. So as you see, it's not copying the file, so that might be a good reason to restart. So now I replace the file. So it's updated now. So if we go for the folder, we should have a new version of the exe date modified. Let's go in there. Let's move up here. So it's the Chrome driver file stored in that location now. So I moved it into that location. It's the latest version of Chrome driver. So if we now restart AppStudio, so starting up AppStudio. So we're back into AppStudio. If we now run our report, you see it's using the Chrome driver for testing and it's working perfectly now. So that's a simple and easy way to update the Chrome driver to make sure you're going to be able to work with AppStudio and Chrome after updating into the latest version of Chrome.